Morning guys, how's everyone doing? It's Tuesday. Took yesterday off because kids didn't have school, so I stayed home with them. Took them to the bike park. It's pretty fun. But anyways, I'm gonna show you what I got going on today. So we busted out the buzz box. Still no gas. We're just running flux cord, 211 030 wire. We're gonna see how this turns out. But we already got this all cleaned up. And we cleaned up these edges. Now we're gonna go ahead and try to tack weld those on there. And if it doesn't burn through, which I should hopefully have it turned out enough to where it doesn't, I have a practice piece that I'm gonna test on first, which is right here. I tried doing all that with stick and it just wasn't working out. So buzz box it is today, which is okay. I bought it for stuff like this, so hopefully it works. But I'm gonna get back to it, and then I'll show you some updates on when I get a little farther along. So anyways, like I was saying, we're gonna get this all clean. Basically I have to spot weld it because it's so thin, so it doesn't get too hot. That's the problem with it, is that I don't want to burn through it, so I'm running a little cold. But I don't know if you can even see that. There's like a little focus. But you guys get the idea. There's that little pinhole just because it's a tad bit too hot, but I don't know. Maybe I need smaller wire, but I think the next smallest wire is 025, which Home Depot didn't carry any of that. And I would have to get a new liner for the gun, so, oh, and new rollers, which I don't want to do that. That's kind of expensive. For that kind of money, you could just buy the TIG rig that I need. But that's coming soon though. I don't know, another week or two, I'll probably order it. Just trying to save up a little money first. But anyways, I'm gonna get back to tacking this all up, maybe time lapse it until it's all one piece, and then we'll start grinding it clean. So we got this side all tacked up, ready to be welded out. And then we have this side all welded out, pretty much cleaned up. There might be a few spots like in here. I might have to go through, add a few more little tacks in there, clean up some spots. But other than that, it's turned out great. Not as bad as I thought it was gonna be, not burning so many holes. Actually, I haven't even burned one hole through yet. So I'm pretty proud of myself for that. But it's still functional. Oh, and we even have these mirrors now. And the holes I drilled don't quite line up, but good enough. Shoot. Hopefully, good to go. Didn't even scratch it. But we might just have to clean out these holes a little bit, which is fine. Get a little die grinder, do that, make it look all nice and tits like it's supposed to be, like that. But I think there's like some little caps that go over it that hide the bolts too, so that's kind of cool. But it'll look neat. So that buzz box lock, the thing was coming in handy. I'm glad I bought that. But for now, I'm just gonna get back to welding that other side and just enjoy this beautiful day. How awesome it is out here. It's supposed to be like 65 today. That should be pretty awesome. Pretty pumped on that. I love that it's getting warmer. Don't have to wear so many layers of clothes anymore. The truck needs a bath. Maybe we'll do that after work today. But anyways, I'm gonna get back to it. You guys have a good rest of your day. I'll catch back up with you here in a little bit. All right, so we're at the end of the day. I'm gonna start rolling everything up, cleaning up. But this is the progress I got done for today. These are all welded out. I need to hit it with some Scotch-Brite. Both sides. But otherwise, good to go. Even got this all tacked up down under here. Cut the excess off, which that's gone. Cleaned this gap up a little bit to put those side panels in. I would have got the side panels done today, but I didn't have the right hardware that I wanted to use for them. So tomorrow morning, make a run to Home Depot, get that. But otherwise, pretty good for today. And then up here, he figured out that he finally wants to add a piece of plexiglass. I'm gonna run down along here, over in here. Basically just follow this body line. This tab there, and probably 2 more tabs there. But anyways, that's it for today's video. If you liked it, comment, like, subscribe. Oh, and share this on your Facebook, Instagram. You know, let people see it. Also, I can build you cool stuff too. So hope everyone has a good night. I'll catch you tomorrow.